Where have the last 6 years gone? I made a mistake. Oh my god, the green one is so cute. This is my second coffee for the day, and I just realized I ran out of milk, so I'm having an Americano, apparently. And I'm also watching the movie Dirty 30. This was made by a bunch of YouTubers a little while ago now, and YouTube has free movies at the moment, and I saw it being suggested to me, so here I am watching it. I feel that maybe this is not the best movie to be watching, especially carrying on from my last video where I feel lost. This movie came out in 2016, the year that I turned 26, and I remember watching it being like, man, I have ages until I'm 30, and now I'm turning 32 this year, and I just was like, where have the last 6 years gone? And for someone that's feeling lost and doesn't know what they're doing in life, I probably shouldn't be watching a movie about turning 30 and them sort of being like, I'm not where I want to be in life. Not the best movie, but the party part of it is like the good part. But if you haven't seen it, I'd recommend, because it's a pretty good movie. Changed my mind. I think this is actually the best movie to watch, but I do not have time to finish it right now. I've got like 25 minutes left. Liz is actually on her way here, and we are going to go out to Value Village, like the thrift store. She wants something from there. I don't need anything, but I wanted to go along for the ride. Probably won't buy anything, but just thought it would be fun to do. Got back. I didn't buy anything. I was looking at books for a really long time, but I did just buy 3 books the other day, and I'm most of the way through one, so I figured I didn't really need to buy any more books. And I'm trying not to buy things at the moment. I just don't want to spend money, and unless I really need something, I'm not going to bother. But I did just check my mail, and I have my updated visa. Fantastic, it's good, all done, sorted. I'm tired. I was never this tired when I was sick, and I am so exhausted today. Like, it hit me yesterday and today, and I feel like I just have lingering symptoms, and it's driving me nuts because I want to have energy and be normal, but I'm not. So now I'm kind of like 2 weeks into being sick, but I've tested negative and I'm not contagious anymore. So there's that. But I just need to chill for a minute, and then I'll get up and continue on doing things. I think I need to do some groceries. I'm out of milk. These are little recipe cards that I pulled out of some of those magazines last week when I was doing my vision board, but my fridge is pretty empty. I don't really have a lot in here, so I should maybe write a list and you know, buy some food so that I can feed myself. I've deleted all of the food ordering apps so that I no longer ordering in, which is great. And I need to take this plastic thing off here. And I was under the impression that these plastic things are illegal in Australia, but I actually don't think they're illegal. Maybe they are, but if they're not, at least all of the companies in Australia don't use them. How bad they are for the environment. And I think that that's really cool. And I think Canada should do the same. Anyway, I was just contemplating whether I should go into Best Buy because I want to get like a camera accessory for filming videos, but I just don't know if I could be bothered to do that because it's a lot of effort and it's really rainy and miserable out there. But I also really want the camera accessory. I also have to open the blinds in my bedroom. Do you know what? Let's do that. I need to open the blinds in my bedroom and make my bed and, like, you know, pretend that I actually got on with my day. Pillows are a little messy. That one over there's tags poking out. What else? Close enough. I tried. I went to the salon the other day to like get my hair done because my roots had been, it's been like 4 months, 3.5 months, and they gave me so many samples. I haven't washed my hair since, so it's what, Tuesday today, and I got my hair done on Saturday. I try to only wash my hair like maybe like 1 to 2 times a week, But now I have all this fun stuff I get to play with, but I should put it away in the bathroom. I feel like this video is becoming very random, just like here's some stuff that's in my life. I need to order groceries, that's for sure. I also need to put a load of washing on. I feel like time is disappearing, and then the next thing I know, it's been days since I've washed any clothes, and I'm like, but how? And I also am contemplating whether I do go to Best Buy. It's literally like, it takes me 10 minutes to get there. So if I just do it, I could do it really quick. I'd be back in like half an hour, maybe 45 minutes, maybe. If I just go and do it, I could also order it on Amazon and have it delivered tomorrow. I'm just gonna check the TTC app so I can see what time I could possibly go in to Best Buy. Actually, I better double check that it has what I want in stock. Where? Available ship. It says there's only one left in Bay and Dundas. I think I'm gonna have to call them and just make sure that it's there. Public transport. Okay, it's possible. I could do this very quickly, very soon. All right. I absolutely love Instacart. I don't remember the last time I actually went to the supermarket. It's so easy. I have goat's cheese. I need some cream cheese. I need some milk. Let's just get a big 2%. Get a red onion. Oh, I need some tomatoes.
Today's video is sponsored by Squarespace. Squarespace is an online platform where you can create websites, blogs, and e-commerce stores, and it is the platform that I have used to create my online store, The Inventory, which has planners, both physical and digital. I'll have a link to it in the description. But if you are looking to create a website, a blog, or an e-commerce store like I have, then I would recommend looking at Squarespace, as they have a whole range of templates to choose from to get you started. You also have the ability to connect to all of your social media accounts to make cross-promoting across the various platforms really easy. There's also a range of third-party apps that you can connect to for shipping, accounting, inventory tracking, everything to make running your business a whole lot easier. They also have a great range of analytics where you can see where your traffic is coming from and what products are performing the best, and that way you can make more informed decisions about the future of your business. So if you are looking to start a website, then head to squarespace.com and use my code, or click the link in the description to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
I decided to just buy the camera accessory online, and it's already ready to pick up. So I'm just gonna duck in, get this camera accessory so I can film videos. And I also did my groceries, but Instacart's being weird. It usually tells you that things are gonna be delivered 2 to 3 hours after you make the order, but it's possible it could even be delivered tomorrow. So I'm not sure what's going on there, but either way, I have a very large grocery order, a very much needed large grocery order coming. So that's one less thing to worry about, but let's go to Best Buy real quick, and then I can play around with my new toys, basically. My groceries have arrived, but there's like 4 things missing. I guess they couldn't get them at the supermarket, so I may have to go back myself, or just, pick them up in the next order that I do. But I'm gonna put them all away. I made a mistake, and instead of getting 5 tomatoes, I ended up getting 5 bunches of tomatoes. So now I have 25 tomatoes, which means I'm gonna be eating tomatoes all day, every day for the next couple of weeks. And I don't remember selecting 2 bunches of celery, but that's totally fine. I definitely selected 2 cucumbers. I have some coriander, spring onions, little tomatoes. I have so many tomatoes. A red onion, cream cheese, a couple of these frozen meals because I just like to have them in the freezer for when I don't, feel like cooking. And then some milk, eggs, rice wine, a couple of cans of tuna, and then some bagels as well. Camera accessory that I went and picked up, oh my gosh, it was so fast. I was in and out in like 2 seconds, but the camera accessory that I picked up is a suction cap piece for my GoPro. I actually haven't used my GoPro in a really, really long time, but I thought it was time to get it out and maybe start using it for some cleaning videos and whatnot. So I am charging it at the moment, but I gotta figure this thing out.
made myself a very interesting snack dinner. I don't really know if I'll eat more after this or not, but it is scrambled eggs with some spring onions, chili flakes, and then fresh tomato with cream cheese on a bagel. Don't know why this is my meal, it just is. And then some orange juice as well. Well, my bagel sandwich tastes pretty good. I'm actually in the process of looking up Tamagotchis. Rachel was like, get a Tamagotchi and we can connect them. I haven't had a Tamagotchi since I was a kid, and I kind of really want one. But yeah, I was just sending her a picture of my little GoPro setup because we bought our GoPros together like a year ago. So I think she's gonna go and get one of the little things that I got as well. But yeah. So I'm just gonna chill and eat this, but after this, I've actually booked a session down in the building's like whirlpool, like we have hot tub things, and it's so nice when you book it because then you get the whole thing to yourself. And I go down and I do it a couple of times a week in the nighttime to just wind down and relax before bed, and it is so nice. I take my book down and I just sit in the hot tub and I read, and it is honestly the best night routine. Ooh, okay, so I have to get a Tamagotchi Pix in blue, green, purple, or pink. What color should I get? Okay, Tamagotchi Pix. Let's see. I feel like I want a green one, maybe? Where do you buy them? Oh my god, the green one is so cute. I'm getting a green one. Where do I get it from? I want to buy a Tamagotchi. Stop! That's my alarm to know that I need to eat and get ready so I can go and make my appointment for Whirlpool. I am so excited about it. But yeah, so I'm gonna eat this and yeah, probably check in with you in another video because I think this is enough for one day. I'm gonna wrap it up, but I hope you guys have enjoyed a little just day in the life really while I do some work. I actually am quite proud of myself. I have managed to edit this entire video that you're watching as I've filmed it, so it's pretty much all done, so I can get it out to you so much quicker. So I'd film, edit, and that's been my day. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in my next one.